Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off this haircut by cutting the layers up on top. I'm going to cut some square layers, so as you can see I've got a center section down the center of the top. I'm going to comb that hair straight up, and I'm going to hold my fingers in a square-like manner to cut in some square layers. And I'm going to basically take sections working my way from the center to the right ear, and then the center to the left ear. And then once the top is done, I will establish the layers on both the right side, the left side, and of course the back. So now that we've completed cutting the layers on the top, as you can see, it's now time to cut the layers on the side. And what I'm doing is I'm taking a section right above the ear, combing the hair straight out, holding my fingers in a square-like shape, and basically cutting in that very first guide. Now, I'm taking another section, which I'm going to comb back into the previous section because that previous section is my guide for the rest of the layers on this side. And I'm going to establish the layers on the right side. Now, once I've done this, I will go ahead and do the layering on the right back, and then after once I've completed the layers on the right back, I will go ahead and do the layering on the left side. So now it is time to cut the layers in the back of the haircut. And basically, I've just used the initial guide that I cut, the very first layer that I cut on the right side right above the ear. That's been the guide for the whole entire right side. So basically just wrapping up the layers on the back right, and once I've completed the layers on the back right, I will jump over to the left-hand side and do the layers on the left side. So as you can see right here, it is now time to start the layers on the left side. And I've got the hair, pulling it straight out. The very first section is right above the ear, pulling that hair out, holding my fingers in a square-like shape, and then basically cutting in that very first layer. And now that layer is my guide for the rest of the layers throughout the left-hand side. Alright, so now it is time to just chip in the desired outline that I'm looking for. As you can see, I'm simply just taking my comb and holding the hair steady in place so it doesn't move, and just basically using the points of my scissors to chip in the outline. So now I'm just going to trim the bang slash fringe just ever so slightly. In the event my model goes to the pool or the wind blows his hair, I just don't want the bangs to fall down in his eyes. Alright, we're coming down the home stretch, and now that I have cut my model's bangs, I just want to cross-check the top really quickly before we wrap up. Alright, so we are now done with the haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content coming your way. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.